guys, finally, I'm going to try the orange glad eyeshadow palette. Everybody in the comments was like, girl, please use this palette. And I was like, yes, I'm gonna use it, but I was very excited to use this one first. So yeah, I'm finally used this, and like always, their palettes are pretty. Look, it is. It's like, it's awesome. So yeah, this is how it looks. The back. Okay, I'm gonna open it to show y'all the shades. So I mainly use these. No, not that one. This one. Basically all of them except this one and that one. I don't know, but I try to use all of them today. They're all beautiful. They're pigmented. Obviously some I have to layer more, but most of the shadows are really buildable and pigmented and soft, and they're nice. What else? So yeah, I recommend this palette. It's good for every day. Like I mentioned, I hardly use orange, but this is making me want to use it because it's really pretty. Look, the shadows, I just like it. So yeah, it just I forgot to do swatches. I know y'all want swatches. I'm pretty sure y'all do, right? I forgot. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with Zested. This one I can barely see when I applied it. I had to layer it a lot. I used it for my cliche. I didn't like this one. I forgot to mention that. See, it's barely noticeable. It's like a light peachy orange. It's like a lid shade, or like a good for base, but it's really not noticeable. I wouldn't use this one.